So we're on a hike, Little Zigzag Falls. Right, Chloe? That's the name. Stephanie's trying to get more pictures, so we're stopped at the trail. This is one of our last hikes with the kids for the year, because they'll all be going back to school. Hikes without the kids aren't, like, you know, as chaotic, but it also means that we get to go on hikes that are a little bit more dangerous, sometimes a little bit longer. We don't go on dangerous hikes with the kids. Just one time. Chloe almost died. It's okay, that hike doesn't exist anymore. This is Little Zigzag Falls. We got a little lost trying to get here. It happens. Pretty cool place.
I need $7 and I'm looking for a 4-leaf clover for $7 and I wasn't even looking for clovers. And now there's no clovers over here.
I think we're going up to the top now. All right, the hike's not quite over. We got to make it to the top. Let's go.
I was gonna go this way, but they didn't.
Everybody always leaves us behind. That's okay, we catch up. We took a shortcut on accident. We didn't know. We had a really good hike.
I found a rock.
It's a short hike. Stephanie got a lot of great pictures.
Rock.
Now the traffic on the way home is not going to be fun, but that's okay.
It's gonna be great.
It was worth it. It's just beautiful out here. Okay, so there's two different ways to get to this hike. One way, you can go up like you're going to government camp, all the way up over the pass. You take a left, and then you come to this parking lot where the road's blocked off. You have to walk a mile down that road to get to this trailhead. Or, if you don't go all the way up the pass, at the base of the pass, there's a road you can take a left on. You can go down that road about 2 miles, and you're right at the trailhead. It's a good hike. It's a fun trip, easy for the kids, great waterfall, and it's beautiful out here. Got to get back to the van, they're waiting for me. They're always waiting for me. It's like a common theme in our house. At least I gave them the van keys this time, which means they can get into the car while they're waiting. Okay, so this right here, that's that road you'll come down if you go that extra mile on the hike. The literal extra mile, not the figurative extra mile. Whatever. That's the road.